What's up, traders? It's your boy Giovanni, and I'm back at it again with another video, giving you guys some more trading sauce. It's been almost 2 months since I updated you guys on the ROE Pamm account. If you guys don't know what a Pamm account is, click on my Pamm account video so you guys can understand exactly what a Pamm account is and how it works. But guys, it's been 2 months since I updated you guys, and the last time I updated you guys on the ROE Pamm account, all of my investors were up 24% gains. Fast forward to February 24th, we are up 72.5% on our investment. Everybody who invested since December is up 72.5% gains. I know a lot of people are looking for a come up right now. You look at stocks, you look at cryptos, you know, all those things go up and down. But when you look at our ROE Pamm account, it's literally just going straight up. We have the best algos and trading strategies in the world, and the results prove it. Since the conservative Pamm has been going so well for the last 3 months, I went ahead and started a aggressive Pamm. So now all the people that's looking to flip their accounts, make a quick bag with me, and basically turn our algos up a notch and get a little bit more risky and aggressive, you guys can do so at the ROE Aggressive Pamm. The ROE Aggressive Pamm was just launched last week, and all of our investors have already made 32% on their investment. Just think about that, guys. What is doing 32% gains right now? I'll wait. The truth is, the bot that I have is incredible, and it can create crazy gains in a very short amount of time. I can't show you guys what bot I'm using because people are gonna try to steal the sauce and copy what we're doing here at ROE. Just know I got the best bot ever. But I wanna be transparent with you guys. Yes, the ROE Aggressive Pamm is a lot more aggressive with trading. You know, with the conservative Pamm, maybe, you know, the most drawdown we've seen is about, 10, 20%. With this aggressive Pamm, you can see 30 to 40% in drawdown. And that's typically normal for a personal account if you were to, deposit your own money and trade. Most traders see about 30 to 40% drawdown if we're trying to see some great significant gains. Just because we're taking an aggressive approach doesn't mean that we're not implementing risk management and things like that. We do plan on running this Pamm and giving you guys incredible gains for a very long time using the same systems that we use for our other Pamms. But I'm just saying that to say this, just like any other investment, don't put in your rent money, your grocery money, whatever. Don't put in money that you're scared to lose, and you guys are gonna be fine. So now that the risk disclosure is out the way, let's get to these results. Okay guys, so before we talk about the ROE Pamm account, I wanna mention that this video is sponsored by the Neo EA. Congratulations to Blessings8099, who reached over 100% ROI since February 5th with Neo. Thanks to Giovanni Cruz. Wow, look at her profit. She deposited $7,000 and is up $14,325.59 at the moment, trading gold with US30. Also, congratulations to my boy Steven Carmichael. Appreciated Giovanni Cruz' first prop firm payout ever. About to run it up even more next month. Congratulations to you. They paid you $781. If anybody's wondering, I'm pretty sure that was Cortana. So Cortana prop firm, if you're interested, if you need a prop firm passed, again, just message me on Telegram, Instagram, and I can get your account passed. The first Pamm account we have is the Rich Off EA, the first Pamm account that I started December 3rd. You guys can see here. And then we have our brand new ROE Aggressive. I posted this February 23rd. ROE Aggressive Pamm made 4.18% today and has already made our investors 32.64% for the week. Think about that. 32.64% for the week. I can do at least that every month. Easy with the ROE Pamm. I'm aiming to do anywhere from 30 plus. 30 plus. And honestly, I don't want to put a number out there because it's an aggressive Pamm. And honestly, anything can happen the way this aggressive Pamm is looking. 1 month we can have, 80% gains. 1 month we can have 250. Okay, so this is the aggressive Pamm. Like I said, 32% gains, 5.81% daily. You guys could check out the MyFX book for yourself. It's public. But like I said, guys, we did have some drawdown. And this isn't really bad drawdown, honestly, for 32% gains. So I'll live with it. I don't know if you can live with it, but I'll definitely live with it. I'm gonna make 32% at the end of it. The links to the MyFX book will be in the link in the description on my website. Now let's go to the conservative one. Okay. Now the conservative one, like I've said, it's been going on since December 5th. And you guys can see the consistency that we've had. We're still in trades at the moment. Since December 5th, all of our investors has gained 72.75%. Now you guys can see daily, we're only averaging about 0.67% a day. We did go through some drawdown during the month, which is cool because we're, still closing out these trades in profit. This month so far, we did 15.34%. And thus far for 2024, we've already crossed over 36% gains. So I just want to give you guys options. Which Pamm do you pick? It really depends on your perspective. What type of person you are, where you are in life right now. If you're looking for a place to just, throw some funds, a couple thousand or whatever, and just let that thing rock and then look back at the end of the year and see where you're at, this is the place for you. If you're a little bit more risky like I am and trying to make that flip like how you would in crypto or whatever, like ROE aggressive Pamm is for you. So it really just depends on, what type of person you are and, where you are in life. But this is definitely a great option. And, if I'm gonna be transparent, when you look at other traders in this world, they're not starting no Pamm accounts. I don't think that they can manage or even, have the balls to manage, the strategies to manage, or the trading softwares to manage hundreds of thousands of funds. I don't think they could do it. But we're doing it here at ROE, and we're giving people a great, consistent return. People have their money just sitting in their crypto wallets, staking coins, and I get it. We're all waiting for that bull run that's definitely going to come in the crypto market. But don't sleep on this ROE investment, because while cryptos are just kind of fluctuating right now, look what ROE has already done. If you look at the ROE aggressive Pamm, unless you put your money into some altcoin in the beginning, you're not going to gain 32% in 2 days. It's not going to happen, but it can happen here. So that's all I want to tell you guys. ROE Pamm is where it's at. Not only do we have the software, but we got the results. So of course, this is my favorite part, playing around with this compound interest calculator, because of course we got MyFX books that you guys can, go off of. So, you can make realistic predictions of, where you would be at, if you put your money in this Pamm, what can actually happen. A lot of people may start with $1,000, either in the aggressive or the conservative Pamms. Right now in the conservative Pamm, we're doing 22.48% monthly. We could just do this for 1 year. Right now, daily reinvestment rate, everything automatically compounds in the Pamm, so you guys don't got to worry about that. Let's do it from where I started, which was December 5th. So if you put in $1,000, the return on investment is $14,806 based on the results that we currently have on our MyFX book. Now we do take 30% profits on our Pamm, and you keep 70. 70% of $14,806 is $10,364. So that's what you guys leave home with, $10,364 at the end of the year, only putting in $1,000 based on the results that we have in our MyFX book. Okay, so when we go to the aggressive Pamm, so far we're already up 32.64%. Let's simulate that if we were to do that monthly, and I know we're going to do way more than that because it's only been 2 days of trading. Okay, so guys, see the big difference between the conservative and the aggressive prediction, right? Here we put in 1,000, you can make $49,729 at the end of the year, consistently making at least 32% a month. But you got to remember, $49,729 is not what you take home, because we take home 30% of profits. So after the profit split, the investor walks home with $34,810. So I'm gonna let you guys play around with this site, on your own time. This is calculatorsite.com. You guys could kind of plan out your investment and kind of brainstorm on what you want to do if you want to invest into the ROE PAMs. Unfortunately, I can't show the world what bot I'm actually using to run these PAMs because I don't want anybody to copy my system. And that's something that I want to keep sacred in the ROE community. But I definitely can show you guys a graph. I can show you guys that this thing is consistent. Look at this equity curve, man. What's important to note here is that, when you back test other bots of mine, it goes straight up, but sometimes, the lines are pretty just straight. Here we have big jumps in the equity curve. We have boom, big leaps that signify big gains in the markets, right? Big gains in one day. So that's what I want you guys to notice, that this bot can definitely get you guys some great returns. From January 1st till now, this is the graph with $20,000 deposited. This bot had a starting balance of $20,000 and took it to $53,592. Who's ready to get rich? So those are the results, and let's just be honest, I know that a lot of traders out there have been searching, looking for a trader with great results they can, copy trade from or take their signals from. How many times have you guys taken signals from other traders and lost your money or blew your accounts? Traders with real influence who are supposedly millionaires, whatever, they don't have results how I have results on my MyFX book for the period of time that I have it, right? And let's just be honest, let's just be real. Subscribe to the channel to stay tapped into ROE and everything we got going on here. We are the most consistent on YouTube when it comes to these Forex results. This is a MyFX book verified platform, and I think the new slogan should be, we got the results. So subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.